Hello and welcome back once again. This is your man Alam, and today's tutorial we are going to dive deeper into plane geometry 1. So we are looking at polygons, and I have 2 questions on the board for us to delve with. So stay with me, and if you don't understand any question or you have any question to ask, you can utilize the comment section below so that I will be happy to make the video on that for you. Alright, without wasting time, let's get into the video. So the first question demands that a regular polygon has 10 sides. That's the first claim. The size is 10. Then find each interior angle, B, each exterior angle, and C, the sum of the interior angles. Now, when we talk about a regular polygon, it means that all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. Now, to find the interior angle of a regular polygon, the formula is given as n minus 2 times 180 degrees, which is the sum of all the interior angles. But we are looking for each interior angle, so which means that it's divided by n, where n is the number of sides, right? The number of sides of the polygon. So, but we know the size to be 10, which means that this is going to be equal to 10 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 10. So I can do my multiplication and subtraction. 10 minus 2 is 8 times 180 degrees divided by 10. So here your mathematical algorithm might come in, however way you want to do it, but I can do it this way. 8 times 180 degrees is going to give me 1040 degrees. Now divided by 10, and this is going to go with that, and I'll have 144 degrees as each interior angle. You can always use your calculator to confirm your answer. So we have 8 times 180 degrees divided by 10, and that will always give us 144 degrees. Note that here too we can just divide 180 by 10, which you get 18, and 18 times 8 will still give us what? 144 degrees. So the interior angle, each of them is 144 degrees. Now we talk about the exterior angle. In the exterior angle, it is also giving us 360 degrees divided by n, where n here is the number of sides. Okay, so this is equal to, that is B, and this is A we have worked, so this is B. 360 degrees divided by 10, right? And then this cancels that, and I'll have 36 degrees. So therefore each exterior angle is 36 degrees. Now note that the conclusions are very important. You see that I'm just mentioning it. So in the exam, you might have worked and worked and worked, but the results will be out and you realize that you didn't perform. That is not the case. It's because you are skipping some steps. So here you have to always conclude that, because they are asking us to find each of the sides. So you say that each exterior angle, each exterior angle of the regular polygon, is 36 degrees. And the same way you got to do for this one. Each interior angle is what? 144 degrees. I was just saying it, but you have to write it down because it takes marks. So we don't skip that. Now the last one on question 1 is saying that find the sum of interior angle. So here, because we have already found each interior angle, which is 144, I can easily get the number of sides. So C, that is the interior angle, which is 144 degrees times the number of sides. And the number of sides here is 10. And this is going to be equal to 1,440 degrees. So that's the sum of all of them, because each of the angle is 144 degrees. So multiplying by 10 will give you the result. The other way we can get that, assuming we have not worked out the interior angle earlier, imagine we have not worked here, the formula would have still landed to be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And this is going to be equal to the n minus 2 here is just this times that. So we are dividing by the n, the number of sides, because we are looking for each interior angle. But if you only divide by the n, it means this is a sum. N minus 2 times 180 degrees. That's the sum. And so here we have 10 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Right? And this is equal to 8 times 180 degrees, which is equal to 1440 degrees. So that is the methods you can use to solve the first question. Please, if this is your first time of hitting my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing. Just give me a subscribe, okay? And share to bless some other friends. So let's continue with the next question. The next question is asking that each interior angle of a regular polygon is 120 degrees. How many sides has the regular polygon? Here they've given us the interior angle. Now we are looking for the number of sides. So I'm going to clean this off. So in the first example we did, we realized that to get each interior angle, the formula is n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. That is each interior angle. Now in the question here, they are saying that this interior angle is 120 degrees. So we can just use this formula to simplify it. So multiplying through by n, I will have 180 degrees to be equal to 120 degrees times n. That will give you that. Okay? Expand this bracket with the 180. So I have 180 degrees times n, that is this, minus 2 times 180 degrees, that will give me 360 degrees is equal to 120 degrees n. Group like terms, because there are n here and there's an n here, so I can bring this over to the left hand side. So I now subtract, I get 120 degree n, which is equal to 360 degrees here is negative. Coming in here, the right hand side will be positive. So you subtract 180 minus 120 is going to give you 60 degree n, which is equal to 360 degrees. So divide here by 60 degrees and divide the right hand side too by 60 degrees. So this 0 is going to go with that, leaving 36, and this cancel that, leaving n to be equal to 36 divided by 6 give you 6 sides. So you conclude that the number of sides of the polygon is 6. Note again, it's very important to do the conclusion. Now, the other way you can solve the same question is using the exterior formula, the exterior angle formula, the one that we stated here. Okay? So we can clean this off. Now, if each interior angle is 120 20. So let's assume that I have the polygon as this. Right? And the interior angle, each of them is 120. So it means that the exterior angle here is on a straight line. Should give me 60 degrees. So when I sum them, it should give me 180 degrees. So all of that will always give me 60. So here's also 60, and here's also 60. So that is what it is all about. Now I know that the interior angle is 120. So I can get the exterior angle to be equal to 108 degree, 80 degree, sorry, minus 120 degree, which is 60 degree. And I can use that to get the formula. But we know that each exterior angle here is equal to 360 degree divided by n. Alright? Each exterior angle is equal to this. And we know the exterior angle now is 60 degree. So I multiply through by n. So I have 60 degree multiplied by n is equal to 360 degree. So dividing through by 60 so this goes with that, and I'll have 6. So this is n is equal to 6 sides. So we after the 6 divided by 6 is going to give you 6, right? Into here 1, into that 6. That is how we got the answer. And you can always use your calculator to confirm. Calculator is your helper. Always use that to help yourself. So this is what the questions demanded us to do. So any approach that you want to use to solve this, you are always welcome to use that. Make sure your steps are worked out correctly and you receive all the marks for that. Please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and more to the point, share to bless other friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I release any other new video, you will not be left out. And the things I'm using for this recording, right, they are on my description, so you can go and get them for yourself. And again, I've released a book on how to master your mathematics. It is currently live on Amazon. You can go and get it for yourself. The link again will be put in the description. You can buy it for yourself. Thank you and have a nice time.